Hey, Sophie here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the 10 Tesla Model Y accessories you need. So let's begin. The first item that Jason and I bought and put into our car were all-weather floor mats. These were essential items to buy because the OEM floor mats that came with the car were hard to clean and attracted a lot of dirt. These all-weather floor mats were from Creek Tea. They were easy to install and look very sleek. Most importantly, they are easy to clean. In addition, we bought all-weather back seat covers for the back passenger seats. If you want to protect your paint from your tires fleeing rocks on the side of your car, we recommend buying mud flaps. We ordered the base Norm mud flaps. They integrate well with the car and were easy to install. If you have the standard 19-inch alloy wheels but like the look of the 20-inch but don't want to take a range hit, we recommend buying matte black wheel cover hubcaps. Although this is more of an aesthetic purchase, we enjoy having the matte wheel covers to match the door handles and to hide any scratches or rock chips. We plan to go on a lot of road trips and would hate to be stranded because of a flat tire. We also recommend ordering a portable air compressor with this purchase. We have this one by Vac Life. You'll need to store your tire repair kit and portable air compressor somewhere in the car, and so this next item will give you the perfect place to store them. These trunk storage bins help not only organize your trunk space, but gives you more space back. We ordered the EDY Car X trunk storage bins. We love the seamless integration with various third-party options. Next item on our list is a screen protector. We love this because it eliminates any glare when we are driving, and it was easy to install.